Hello, this is Seven. We are the manufacturer specialized in LCD and OLED assembly screen. And now I would like to introduce the iPhone 5s and SE. And okay, this is the two colors, black and white. And next, I would like to introduce the specification. Its screen size is 4-inch. It is TFT LCD module, and it can compatible with this module. And its resolution is 1136 by 640. RGB is the interface type. Its advantages is about the viewing direction, IPS 360-degree vision enjoyment. That it's very less in the market we can see. And the OCA Mitsubishi is 175 micron. Double-side electronic without glue is the FPC material. The IC it was manufactured by TSMC, and the backlight cover is brightened backlight. The luminance is 350 CD per square meter. The dimensional outline is this length and wide, and the active area is the inside length and wide. And COG plus FPC is the ASIC type, and GNG is the TP config. Okay, above is the specification about our iPhone 5X and SE. And if you want to know more about the details and our discount, you can contact at this email. Thank you.